Welcome to the Java part of your programming. In this very first week, the week beginning the 8th of February, your aim is simply to install the environment, what's called the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment, and is to create a very simple program to output the words "Hello World." That's to ensure that everything works, ready for more coding in the subsequent weeks. There are instructions and links on this section here for the IntelliJ Community Edition for you to do, and also a link for a plugin for that environment. You just simply click the link, and once you've got JetBrains installed, it will automatically allow you to install it straight on. It's not very complex. The only missing element you might have is your what's called a JDK. This is something that might trip you up a bit later. In order to resolve that issue, once you've installed IntelliJ, the instructions in this video here show you in a very simple single click how to get that installed and updated. So this week in the practicals, the purpose of the practicals is simply to check that you've got the environment installed and you can create a Hello World application. For more details and instructions and how to go through creating a simple application, in there are two videos which will lead us comfortably into building up very simple programs in the first few. So for your practicals this week, ensure that you have or you will install it. And I would possibly recommend that you could do that during your practicals. It's not a very long installation.